Hello, welcome to this video. We are talking today about what is technology play, or sometimes it might be called digital play, but it involves the use of technology or a digital method of engaging in play. So we're going to talk about what this is and sort of what it would look like in your playroom, what you might have in your playroom that would support or offer the ability to do some type of technology or digital play. So it is what it sounds like. It's the use often of some type of device, some type of technology device. This could be a video game station. This could be a tablet. This could be a computer. It could even be a smartphone. There's a whole host of options of what the device or multiple devices could be that the child could access, or you, the play therapist, and the child could access together and play games, activities, etc., in this sort of digital format. The types of play that you could do can vary greatly. You could be playing some type of traditional video game. You could be playing something that is more focused on a therapeutic construct, like an emotions game. You could be playing a traditional board game that's been turned into this technology version. It varies widely in terms of what you might be playing in the technology play. What makes it technology or digital play is that you're using technology or this digital method in terms of the play that you're doing. I have an app on one of my tablets that is actually a sensory movement app. And so we're actually doing these sensory moves together, and they're all done in sort of this game that's you go through in the app. So we're using the app, we're using the tablet, but we're also doing things physically live, together with our bodies along with the app. So there's really all kinds of ways this could materialize in terms of what it would look like in your playroom. What makes it technology or digital play is that you're using that device in some capacity. So how would this look in your playroom? I mean, people set this up very differently. Some people have certain types of technology out in their playroom as open access for the child to gravitate toward if that's the type of play they prefer and where their play interests are. Other people keep them a little bit more contained and offer them up to the child, or maybe bring them out in more of a directive or structured play therapy intervention. Some of that probably depends on your comfort level. How comfortable are you with technology play? How familiar are you? Will probably determine what it looks like in your playroom. There are a lot of kids who may gravitate toward technology play as their primary play interest or their play preference. Certainly, I've seen this a lot in my work with a lot of my neurodivergent kids, is that their play preference is technology play. Their play interests are there. And in AutPlay therapy, of course, we're all about finding out what is the child's play preferences and play interests and meeting them there. That's very critical piece of AutPlay therapy. So we always make sure that the technology play is available like any other type of play. The sensory play, the pretend play, the constructed play, all of it is available so the child can come in and show us what their play preferences and their play interests are. So just a few examples of kind of what I tend to have in my playroom. One is some type of tablet. So I always have a tablet. I just use the iPads, but there are other types of tablets. And then there's tons of apps on it. Obviously, it's password protected. So it's not just going to be randomly some child unsupervised, is getting on the tablet or any form of technology. But there's a lot of apps in here, a lot of different types of games, varieties. That sensory game I was telling you about is on the tablet. So having a tablet or two available in your playroom is one way. You can have more than one thing. I also have a Nintendo Switch, and there's a lot of cool Nintendo Switch games out there. There's a lot of cooperation games. There's two-player games. There's puzzle games. I mean, again, I think what people sometimes don't understand is the variety of options of type of play that exist even within the technology play, which is really cool sometimes and really great for the kids that you're working with. You could obviously have like a computer, a TV, and a game station hooked to it. There's all kinds of things. I also have an Oculus, a VR system. It's my Oculus storage box. It looks like a weird egg, but this is a VR system, and that's been really fun as well. There's a lot of different games you can get for this. There's a great sensory one that I like to play that's a VR game. So you could have one of these, you could have multiple things. Again, that's just going to kind of depend on your comfort level and your knowledge in terms of what you do with technology play, how you view it, and your understanding of it. But it is one type of play exists, and I just kind of wanted to make sure we do a little highlight of that so people have a better understanding about it. There are great resources on this. Dr. Jessica Stone does a lot with digital and technology play. She's got a couple of great books that go into detail with this in terms of being a play therapist. And certainly she does a lot of trainings on this as well. If you want to dive in deeper to it and learn more about it, certainly probably a type of play that may be newer for a lot of play therapists. So there may be an interest in learning more, reading more, getting more experience with it. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the AutPlay Therapy channel. Please like this video, watch more, come back. You can follow us and connect with us in AutPlay on the Facebook page as well, and also on all the other AutPlay videos we have on the YouTube channel and our website. So check all of that out and come back and watch more videos. Take care.